And it's hot outside. What's that? Oh, this egg's about to hatch. Hey, what's up, little duckling? Where's your parents at? Dang, that sucks. You got no parents. I'm sorry. I wish I could help you, but I can't. Probably go now. Hope you find your parents, little duckling. I'll see you around. I'm sorry, you can't come with me. I'm not your mom. I'm not your dad. I can't take care of you. I don't know how to take care of a duck. I barely take care of myself, so. You stay here, your parents probably come and find you, all right? All right. Man, that was close. That was scary. All right, I think it's gone. I think I'm safe. No, I'm sorry. I didn't see you. I'm sorry. You're so tiny.
This is the police. You're on the right. Wow. We're killing your child. Get down.
I didn't mean to.
Save that for the judge.
I'm sorry.
Shut up. You don't have the right to remain silent.
I'm sorry. It's not my fault.